It is quite clear that Mahamudra is concerned with meditation on emptiness as taught by the Buddha. But when we use the term emptiness, we may understand it in different ways. We may see emptiness as something positive or as something negative, an absence of experience and thought, an utter lack of qualities, or a state of absolute nothingness. That, however, is not what emptiness is, because it also contains an inherent lucidity. Since emptiness is at the same time great wisdom, it is the root of all that is beneficial. One could say that this emptiness is the potential and source of all wisdom that knows the true nature of phenomena. While the nature to be realized is emptiness, that nature itself possesses inherent lucidity or wisdom. The instructions for realizing this true nature, including its inherent wisdom, constitute what we call mahamudra.